Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Callie and this is my YouTube channel dedicated to all things nails and good vibes. In today's video, I'm collaborating with Clarice from The Polished Queen here on YouTube. We're going to be sharing 5 easy and minimal back-to-school nail designs. I really like how all of these turned out and I can't wait to share the tutorial with you. So be sure you check out Clarice's video as well. The link will be in my description box down below, as well as any of these polishes that I'm using here today or ones similar. So without any further ado, let's get right into the tutorial. So for all of these designs today, you will need a base coat, a top coat, a detailing nail art brush or a toothpick, a cleanup brush or some Q-tips, a dotting tool, bobby pin or toothpick, and some nail polish remover. So the first design is this minimal polka dot design. I really like this one. So you will need 2 neutral polishes of your choice. Here I'm just using a cream white color and this really light beige color. I really like both of these. Start with 2 coats of one of the polishes. I'm using the lighter color as my base. Next, take a bobby pin, dotting tool, or toothpick and just create some really simple small dots across your nail. I decided to do this in a pattern, but you could totally do this a little bit more sporadic if you wanted to. I really like how it looks this way, and you can totally change up the size of the dots you want depending on how you want the manicure to look. So once this is dry, do finish off with some top coat. I think this would look really pretty matte as well, so if you want a glossy or matte top coat, that's up to you. But I love this one. I think this would make a really nice accent nail. Our next design is this neutral geometric nail design. I really like how this one turned out as well. So once again, you'll need 2 neutral polishes. I'm actually using the same ones I just used for the polka dot design. And you'll want to start off with 2 coats of whichever polish you'd like to start with. This time I'm switching it up and using the light beige as my base color. Once your base coat is dry, then use one of your tools, a dotting tool, toothpick, or a bobby pin, and use a stippling motion to add the white polish to the design. I decided to do these 2 triangular designs, and I filled in the one closer to my cuticle. You could use more than one color for this manicure, and you could also use a detailing nail art brush if you're more comfortable with that. So once you let this dry for a few minutes, you can go back in with your base color. If any of your lines are looking a little bit uneven, you can go in with the base color and a detailing nail art brush, or you could also use a toothpick for this and just clean up the lines to make them look a little bit straighter. Or if you do like the look of them being a little bit more uneven and bumpy, that works too. You can just do this back and forth with the base color and the line color just to fix up however you want the design to look. I know I said this about the first design, but I think this would make a stunning accent nail as well. I just think this is really pretty. This might be my favorite from the whole video. I really like it a lot. Once again, don't forget to finish up with top coat, matte or glossy will do, and yeah, so that's it for this one. Next up we have a glitter French tip. I really like this one too. I think I've said that about all of these. So first you'll need a sheer skin tone polish, and then you'll also need a glitter polish in any color of your choice. I'm using a silver holographic one today. Start off with 1 or 2 coats of the sheer polish. Next, take the glitter polish and just swipe some on the edge of your nail. You don't have to do this really thick at first, and that's something I just wanted to mention as well. Just be careful with how thick you're applying this because my nail actually got very thick with all this glitter. So if you wanted, you could also use a makeup sponge to add the glitter to your nail, but whatever you want, just be careful and wait for it to dry in between coats. So you could totally leave your nail at that just with 1 little coat of glitter, but if you want to make it super sparkly, you can do what I did and add a second layer. And you can bring it up your nail a little bit if you want, or you can leave it very close to the tip depending on how you want the manicure to look. And I really like how this turned out. I think it's really chic and just fun. I think this would be a really beautiful full manicure to wear to school or work, and it's really pretty. So highly recommend this one as well. It's super simple. So once it's dried for a few minutes, finish off with glossy top coat and you're all set. This next design is a little bit less minimal. This one involves shimmer and glitter. So you'll need a shimmer polish of your choice and a glitter polish of your choice, whatever colors you like depending on how minimal you want it to look. I chose this really sparkly pink and that same silver glitter. So I started off with 2 coats of the shimmer polish. By the way, this polish is just stunning. I really like it. Next, make the brush of the glitter polish as thin as you can and just add a little stripe of glitter down your nail. You could also do some glitter placement with a toothpick and just dip in and grab some glitter and put it down the center of your nail. I think this looks really elegant and just super sparkly, so if you're a fan of glitter, this one is for you. Let that dry and finish off with glossy top coat. And just a side note, with these glitter or shimmer nails, just make sure you finish with maybe 2 coats of top coat depending on how thick the glitter is. Our final design for today is this really pretty glitter melt design. So you'll need a cream polish of your choice. I chose this really pretty teal color, and then I used the same shimmer as before, so you could use a shimmer or a glitter for this one. So start off with 2 coats of your base color and just let it dry for a few minutes. Next, take the brush of your shimmer or glitter polish. Starting at the base of your nail, just work your way up and create some jagged peaks with the brush of your polish. You can do 2 coats of this if you want. I decided to since mine was a little bit sheer. And I really like this, so if you're not a fan of a glitter drip manicure, this is kind of similar, but just a little bit less perfect. So if you want to do something quicker, this is a great option for you. So finish off with some top coat, and that's our last design for today. So that is it for today's video. I had a really great time coming up with these designs. I think they would be beautiful if you need an accent nail for a manicure, or if you want to try them all together or do some mix and match. I think these are really fun and versatile designs, and they're totally customizable. So if you have any colors you prefer for any of these, definitely go for it. And if you do add any of these to your manicure during school or work, definitely share on Instagram with hashtag #look360nails so I can see, and I'll definitely repost it so everyone else in our community can see. Once again, be sure you check out Clarice's video as well. The link will be in my description box when it's available, and go subscribe to her channel. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up. It's a really easy way to support my channel. All you have to do is click a button. And if you're new here, welcome. I hope you do subscribe because I post 2 new videos every week, and I have some really fun videos coming up this month. So I hope if you're starting school or work or whatever is going on in your life, I hope you're having a really nice start to your fall. I know I'm very excited, so I hope you're doing well, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Have a polished rest of your day. Bye!